Come with me to a food tasting in Victoria Island at Silk, Lagos. Will the food be good? Well, sprinkle, sprinkle. We're about to find out. That I am looking cute as always, and the ambience in there looks amazing. We ordered drinks, we ordered food. We had a lot of fun, okay? Now, when you go in there, you order this drink. It's called New York Sour, and it tastes amazing. It's like going to be one of my favorite drinks, okay? Every time I go there, I'm ordering that drink. 10 out of 10. Here I am with a babe and we look good. Okay, we look good. We were giving looks. We look so cute. You can't tell us nothing. They have these nice pillars as well, and I think like they'd make bomb pictures. Now again, the food for me personally, 10 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie, 10 out of 10. Silk, I love you. You will definitely be seeing me all the time. Lovely time, lovely vibes. Bye. You go do your one time, one time,